Best books to empower freelancers. Here is a list of 11 books that can be extremely valuable to you as a freelancer, covering various aspects like entrepreneurship, productivity, mindset, and financial management. The Freelance Introvert. Tom Albrecht's book helps introverted freelancers be themselves and succeed. It shows how to recognize skills, find clients, and set income goals. The Freelancer's Bible. Sarah Horowitz' book provides a complete guide for freelancers covering work, finding clients, marketing, fees, negotiation, and taxes, suitable for beginners and experienced freelancers. Creative Income. Meg Matthew Ilasco and Joy Ding Dillard Chu's book is a practical guide for creative freelancers covering portfolios, fees, and real success stories. It helps you decide if freelancing is right for you. My Creative Side Business. Monica Konokova's book guides you to turn your passion into a full-time creative job with success stories and valuable tips. It helps establish your freelance career and create a stable income. Stop thinking like a freelancer. Limewhite's book helps freelancers earn more each month. It teaches big business strategies and continuous improvement for constant growth. The Freelance Way. The Freelance Way by Robert Black offers essential tools and strategies for freelancers packed with expert advice. It's a must-have guide for independent professionals. The 4-Hour Work Week. Tim Ferriss's book reveals how to achieve more while working less. A must-read for freelancers aiming for work-life balance and efficiency. Company of One. In his book, Paul Jarvis challenges the idea of constant growth, highlighting the power of small, agile business. This perspective is especially valuable for freelancers. Brilliant Freelancers. Leaf Candle's book offers comprehensive insights on starting, managing clients, self-motivation, and finances. A valuable resource for freelancers at any stage of their career. The Six-Figure Freelancer. Laura Pennington Briggs' book guides freelancers to six-figure success. It covers mindset, clients, business structure, efficient workdays, marketing, and rates. The Autonomous Freelancer. Dominic Kent's book is a must-read for new freelancers. It offers practical tips on finding your niche, building habits, pricing your work, and streamlining client payments.